Hi, my name is Ben Frear. I'm an immigration lawyer who focuses on helping entrepreneurs who are starting businesses in the United States. Most of my work involves assisting foreign nationals in applying for the E2 visa, which enables qualifying entrepreneurs to run a business in the US after making a substantial at-risk investment. During conversations with prospective clients, one question comes up often. Can I apply for the E2 while visiting the United States? So today, I thought it would be helpful to address this question. So to answer the question as simply as possible, yes, it's absolutely possible to change your status from visitor to E2 status, provided you haven't violated your current status and are in the US on a visa, not through a visa waiver program such as ESTA. However, the more important question is whether you should do this. In most cases, I advise my clients against changing status while in the US. Let's discuss why. The main reason I don't recommend this approach is that when you change your status, you get permission to stay in the US in E2 status for 2 years, but you don't get an actual visa. Let me repeat that. You do not receive an E2 visa. This means that in most cases, as soon as you leave the country after going through the lengthy and tedious process of successfully changing your status, you will need to apply for and obtain a visa before you can re-enter the US in E2 status. Additionally, the consular post will require a full application and review the case de novo, meaning they could refuse your application even if you previously successfully changed your status through USCIS. Since all of this is less than ideal, there are only a few situations where I would recommend changing status, with the primary reason being interview availability. If there are extreme backlogs in your home consular district, it might make sense to consider a change of status application. However, there is a right way and a wrong/risky way to do this. The right way to change status looks like this. You enter the US with genuine intentions to stay for a short period as a business visitor. While in the US, you complete setting up your business, which might involve establishing a business bank account or signing a commercial lease. Once your business is 100% set up, and before you start actively working for the company, you apply for a change of status. Regarding timing, applying after being in the US for 90 days reduces the likelihood of being flagged for misrepresenting your intentions when you entered. The wrong or risky way to change status involves entering the US with the intent to change status as soon as possible and rushing an application. This type of approach can lead to a denied application if there are issues, but it can also result in a misrepresentation finding. So suffice it to say, timing and planning are critical for these applications. Okay, there you have it. While you can change your status from visitor to E2, it's typically not the best move. If you end up deciding to pursue this path, the application must be carefully timed to ensure that you present an approvable case without raising misrepresentation issues. Thanks so much for watching. I truly hope this information helps you make an informed decision regarding your E2 application process. If you have any questions or require personalized advice, I recommend that you reach out to one of the many amazing E2 visa lawyers that you can find across the globe. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.